Hello, and welcome to Import Exchange. Trade perpetual contracts with low fees, deep liquidity, and up to 25 times leverage. In this video, we will see how to import your MetaMask wallet and participate in Import Exchange. The first step you need to do is to go to metamask.io/download and install the MetaMask extension for your browser. I will install it for Chrome, so just click here. Then click Add to Chrome and complete the installation. Step 2 is to import your wallet via MetaMask Chrome extension. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, simply create a new one. Once you've selected the import option, enter your secret 12 words recovery phrase. Then, enter your new password and confirm it. Once done, agree to the terms of use and hit Import. That's it. Now you've imported your wallet successfully. Step 3 is to add Arbitrum network to your MetaMask wallet. So go ahead and visit arbiscan.io, then click Add Arbitrum Network. A MetaMask pop-up will open. Now approve the network and switch to it. Step 4 is to add USDC to your MetaMask wallet on Arbitrum network. Click Import Token, then paste the USDC contract address. All the other fields should be populated. Just click Add Custom Token and then click Import Token. It is now added successfully. Let's proceed with Step 5, which is connecting your MetaMask to Import Exchange. You can do so by visiting aboard.exchange. Then, click Trade from the top navigation menu. Next, click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask. A MetaMask pop-up window will open. Just click Next and connect the wallet to your account. Then, sign the signature request. Once it's connected, you should be able to see your wallet address. Step 6 is how to make a deposit. Simply click on your address and select Deposit from the drop-down menu. Enter the needed amount of USDC and click Deposit. A MetaMask pop-up will open asking you to give permission so that Import Exchange can access your USDC token. Click Confirm and the requested USDC will be deposited in Import Exchange. Now let's continue to Step 7 and see how to place an Ethereum 20 times market order. Select a leverage of 20 times from here. Once you see the leverage success, then we can proceed with our order. Open this drop-down menu and select Market as order type. Next, enter here the quantity of the trading target, or directly select the percentage of the position to place an order. Once done, hit Create Market Order. And that's it. Your order created successfully. Step 8 shows how to close a market order. So at the left bottom, you will see all your transactions, including your placed positions. You can also close the position by opening a reverse position on the right side. Simply locate the market order position you wish to close and click on Market. That's it. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us at social channels. You can find the link at our website. Import Exchange, high performance with low fees.